There are no programmers in 5 years. These are not my words. These are the words of Stability AI CEO. And this is quite interesting coming from somebody who's in the forefront of AI. As a matter of fact, I think I should make you hear this one firsthand.
I think we always have to look at the unchanging versus the inevitable. So an inevitable is 41% of all code on GitHub right now is AI generated.
Wow.
To 6 months. ChatGPT can pass a GNU level 3 programmer exam and it will run pretty much on a MacBook or a
And that's this year?
This year, right now.
Yeah.
There are no programmers in 5 years.
No programmers in 5 years. So those of you with kids who you're having, with Python lessons and so forth, maybe it's instead helping them to understand how to ask great questions or give great directions or prompts.
Okay, so there you go. There you've seen it. A lot of times we bring up this topic on the channel where we speak about AI. Previously, we saw a video with Patrick Bet-David, and he was also expressing his concerns. Now, I think initially we thought AI might affect other people in cases of automation where you don't have to do your work anymore. A computer prompt can just take over the jobs, like maybe serving or something else. But now AI is also taking over IT, which means even the programmers will not have a job anymore. And this is actually a good thing for the CEOs, a bad thing for the employees, because if you're an employer, then you don't want expenses, which in this case, the expense would be your employee. So you're trying to cut that off, which means a lot of people are going to lose their jobs. And he was so certain that in 5 years, there will be no programmers. I don't know if you guys really heard that the way I heard it. I'm an IT guy, so I know the ins and outs of this field. He said in 5 years, there would be no programmers. And he was so certain. He wasn't mincing words when he said that. And something else he mentioned in that video, I would like to point out, he said GitHub has 41% AI generated codes in 6 months. If you're not familiar with what GitHub is, it's basically a platform for code collaboration, basically. And you can go on there to get codes that other people have written, and you can use that in your programs or your software or your applications. If 41% of the codes generated on GitHub was done by AI, then in the next year, it should be over 100%. Don't you think so? Well, those are just my thoughts. I saw that video and I found it very concerning, so I decided to share with all of you. So not only are jobs like copywriting being taken by AI, now Photoshop, because you don't have to design so much anymore. There are tons and tons of softwares that can retouch your photos and change the background, crop your photos and do everything for you. You don't need photo editor anymore. And very soon you won't even need a video editor. And now that's transitioning to the IT department. You're not going to need the IT guy anymore. Maybe not the IT guy in general. Let's just say the programmer for now. But I think he's going to take over the IT guy. I'm just thinking aloud in this video. But yeah, that was a very interesting one and very concerning, especially for the IT people like myself. I've been looking to advance my career by learning a lot of codes and, getting some more certifications and getting more into cloud computing. But when you get a message like that, it just tells you, no, don't advance. Instead, you should learn more of AI prompts. I think that's what it's teaching me. Or if I'm trying to advance my career, should I be looking at learning generative AI or machine learning? Should I be going in that direction? Somebody was telling me about data science and data analyst or data analysis. They're saying that is the future. But I don't think so, because if AI can program, then AI should be able to analyze data even better than a human would. So even that is not the future. Nothing is safe anymore. If you're in the AI field and you'd like to share your thoughts on this one, please feel free to talk to me in the comment section. You've heard my thoughts. It's going to be a tough 5 years to come, guys. Inflation, AI, war, a lot is going to happen. A lot is going to change. The world is basically going to go in a whole different direction. So this information, if not for anything, should help you prepare. You might not be in the IT field, but at least it should be like a warning that if this could be happening in the IT field where the pay is very high, not very high, but decent, where the pay is decent, if this is happening in the AI field, then it's going to come for everybody. So don't think you're safe because you're not in the AI field. It's the end of this video. Share your thoughts, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.